Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your phone number to your Google Duo account. So if you've been using Google Duo for a while with a certain phone number but now want to change it to something else because you've started using a different number, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can do that. For this, first of all, head over to your Google Duo app. And as you head over to your Google Duo app, you will see that on the top right corner, there are 3 vertical dots. Tap on the dots and then tap on settings. After you select settings, the very first option you will see is your account. Tap on it. And here you can see that there's an option that says phone number. So when you tap on phone number, you will be able to realize that you can't really do that. So here I'm trying to tap on the phone number option, but it's not opening up. But here you can see an option that says remove Google account from Duo, so that when you tap on remove, you'll be signed out of Duo on all of your other devices as well, and you'll also need to re-verify your phone number. So when you tap on remove at this moment, you will now be able to install a completely different number to acquaint with your account. So here currently I only have this number, so I won't be able to show you, but if you tap on remove and carry on with the procedures, I'm 100% sure that you will be able to change your phone number. So if you watch this video and have been able to change your own phone number to your Google Duo that is associated to your Google Duo account, do let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time that we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.